This is the letter A. Ant. This is the letter B. Bear. This is the letter C. Cat. This is the letter D. Duck. This is the letter E. Elephant. This is the letter F. Fish. This is the letter G. Giraffe. This is the letter H. Horse. This is the letter L. Lion. This is the letter M. Monkey. This is the letter N. Nurse. This is the letter O. Orange. This is the letter P. Panda. This is the letter Q. Queen. This is the letter R. Rabbit. This is the letter S. Sun. This is the letter T. Tiger. This is the letter U. Umbrella. This is the letter V. Violin. This is the letter W. Whale. This is the letter X. Xylophone. This is the letter Y. Yacht. This is the letter Z. Zebra.